Say for instance, right out of the gate, you want to create some sort of social media post, right? So you can search for any type of prompt by going through the topic, activities, sort by what's the most popular or what's being used the most, or the search bar. When you click on the prompt, it appears and is applied. All of the written prompt, all the instructions for ChatGPT are under the hood. You don't need to worry about that. All you need to worry about is the clue, the prompt hint that you're being given that you have to execute. You want to input the tone and the writing style. This is key for any larger business that wants to maintain brand consistency across all of their content. Now, all of a sudden, you can access these 20 different tones or writing styles. So we've got things like friendly, informal, optimistic, sarcastic, or writing styles like conversational, journalistic, satirical, right? We have this Power Continue tool. You'll see this after you've already generated a prompt, and there's a drop down and things like exemplify, expand, explain. And then for these on our premium plans, you can actually make your own custom Power Continue as well. Searching for live crawling, and these start to pop up all over the place, right? So I have one set up here that I built, which is make a Twitter thread for a blog post. The idea here is, and this is really cool because it's taking content that's live on the internet. Top here, you have your favorites. So any prompt that you use, that's the first way to start managing your prompts. If you know you have a prompt that you want to use over and over again, like this, human written, 100% unique SEO optimized article, which is the most popular prompt in our entire library, to write a whole well-written article just based on a keyword. Just like think about how you can expand your content marketing with that out of the gate. But say if I want it, I just favorite it. I click favorite, and then all of a sudden it appears in my favorites, and I have that available to use over and over so it doesn't get lost in the thousands of different prompts that are out there. Before you even create a prompt, think about what you wanted to do. What is the task? Is it creating an article for your website? Is it writing an ad headline for Facebook? Are you doing social media content for TikTok? Are you writing a script for YouTube? But have that in mind before you get started. One is the user, then the task. What do you want it to do?